Okay, little tutorial in Photoshop. Once we have all the photos places on the canvas, we're gonna go ahead and click on view, guides, new guides layout, and in the number we're gonna select how many frames that we have in the canvas. In this case is 11. Okay, once we select the slide tools, we're gonna go ahead and click on the slide from guide, and voila, go on file, export, save for web. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit just so we can look at every single frame. The hand just to move around a little bit. Make sure you have a JPEG selection, maximum quality 100%, and click on save. Select the folder. So make sure what it says is slices, it says all slices. Hit OK and voila, we have all frames exported directly into the folders. Once over there, we select all the pictures and they drop to the iPhone. From there, we are ready to share on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See ya.